everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really happy to come back to see you again and show you more about my tutorial and talk about resizable box in jQuery UI like this. So you can do like this, and you can customize it into your form, responsive, or something you want. Okay, let's get started together. Okay, let's get started together to create the resizable in jQuery UI. And the last my video, I'm talking about draggable in the jQuery UI. So today, let's get started to build a resizable in jQuery UI. So I'm going to create a new file, and I can say resizable.html. So in here I'm trying to create HTML. Sorry. Okay, so I have okay, like this. So the next step I need to do is going to import a jQuery UI library. So I don't want to spend too much time, so I'm going to go to the old file and copy this 3 lines of code and then paste to my new file. Okay, so now I have my jQuery UI library in my new file. So what I need to do next is create def element, and I can say hey to for resizable. Okay, so I need to put an ID resizable, and I need to put class. Sorry. Here like this, UI widget content. Okay, so then I need to set class here to UI widget header. Okay, to put on the header of, on the top of my div element. Okay, so I need to decoration with my CS, my style check, and tag like this. So yeah. So I need to select this ID to record in my element. Here is some. Okay, I can copy from this. Here, like this. and I need to put width to 200 pixel and height. I need 200 pixel as well, and then padding. Sorry, padding 0.5 here. Okay, so the next is my height too, like this. Okay, so I need to align my text to the center, and then my margin to 0, and I can save it. So what we need to do next is okay, so what I need to do next is I need to write some JavaScript code, some jQuery code in my text script to make my element here that can resizable. So I need to write code in here. I can say function open. Okay, like this. So then what I need to do is select the ID resizable and copy it. Like this. Select an ID and resizable. Open like this. And I need to put animation to true. It means when we resizable, it will animation. It will show animation. Okay, so let's run it and save it and run it. Okay, here you can see. Oh, you cannot decide because why? I know we need to write some code in here. UI resizable helper. So I need to take a line to center and then I need, oh sorry, we don't need that. I need to set border to 1px dot gray. Okay, so let's run again. Okay. Why is not? What's going on? Oh, sorry. It's error because I write wrong code. Resizable here. Holy shit. Okay, so now we can resize it, as you can see, like this. Resize whatever you want. Okay, you can put anything in here, like text area. Like this. Okay. About the text area, we can select it. We can select area like this, which 100%, 100% as well. Save it and get back and refresh. Okay, really cool. So I need to just only like this. It's still not good. Okay, that is really nice. You can change it to 70. For me it looks great. Okay, really great. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can put a comment below this video in my channel. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want me to create a new tutorial that you need to learn, please help to suggest in my comment below this video. I will provide this code new that you need to download in video description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, and thank you. See you in the next video. Wow.